So the paper one, which is of MCQ and MSQs of all the eligible appeared candidates, will be evaluated. Further, based on the evaluation paper one, only selected numbers of the top scoring candidates based on the respective category, as we have general, OBC, SC, ST, general EWS, PWD, etc. So according to that will be further evaluated for paper 2 using the ratio against each seat that is available on the course for this thing. So how the ratio works? For all the courses except FTIS screen acting, you may see it is 1:15 for general, OBC, NCL, general, EWS. So for each seat, the top 15 answer sheets will be checked. For each seat, top 25 answer sheets will be checked for, say, SC, ST, general, PWD, OBC, NCL, PWD, general, EWS, PWD, etc. I'll give you an example, but just go to point number 2. We have here, say, for acting, the ratio is higher. So it is 1:45. So for the general, OBC, NCL, general, EWS, we have 1:45 ratio. So for each seat that is in general category, unreserved category, we will check 45 answer sheets. The top 45 answer sheets for the paper 2, evaluation of paper 2. For example, let us see this as an example. So here, if you could see direction and screenplay writing, the total number of seats is 11. Out of that, 5 is general, OBC, NCL is 3, SC 1, ST 1, and general EWS is 1. So this all together makes it 11. Now, how do we go with the evaluation of paper 1 for the paper 2 evaluation? Now see, yeah, here it is. So just see this as an example. We have 11 seats in direction and screenplay writing. So for general, 1:15 is the ratio. So we have 5 seats in general category. So 5 into 15, so 75 papers will be checked, which is paper 2. So basis the performance of paper 1, the top 75 papers of paper 2 will be checked. This is how the ratio works here. It is all written on the portal. Just go and have further clarification. Based on the evaluation of paper 1 and paper 2, the merit list of JET 2021 will be prepared. And after this JET 2021, we will have a selection process, which is a second stage of after the JET 2021. So JET 21 finishes here at this particular point when we have the merit list of JET 21. After that, we move ahead to the orientation and interview.